James, every time I place my stethoscope on the chest, could you say 99 for me?
99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
James, if you could now sit forward for me, I'd like to examine for any glands in the neck. James, I'd like to examine for chest expansion now. So this will just involve me putting my hands tightly around the chest again and asking you to take a deep breath in. Deep breath. And out. And in. And out. James, I'm now going to tap on your back. If you could just fold your arms for me. James, I'm now going to listen to your back. If you could just keep your arms folded and breathe in and out. And now if you could say 99 for me.
99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
And I'm now just going to press on your lower back. Let me know if you have any pain in your calves. James, that completes the examination. Thank you very much. You can now get dressed.